Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing good and yeah, happy Dussehra to each and everyone. So today is 26th and we have decided to go to pelling site to visit one of the famous tourist spot, and it's like that place is made of glass and a glassle baneko cha. So in this Dussehra we have planned to visit over there. So without further delay, let's go. So now we are going.
Hi guys.
So finally, Bokhar hami pelling पुग्यो हैन. So we walked at 4 and it's like 9:12 a.m. right now. So we finally reached. So I'll show you how it looked like. So it's my first time as well. So have a look of it. So this is the.
Hi guys. Today
What?
Hi guys. Welcome back to ITV family.
अब तिमीले गरम भएन यहाँ
Apa sama malah dinner?
아, 잠이 나도 좀 나그러면 휴, 나도 사.
큰 사이즈 좀
야때. 잔두 소이. 너라 리제 고도베. 제대 지지하대 제 고도베 잔두 마통하대. 아송래 잔두 찍동사. 다하루 잔두 찍. 마통마 요 제대 지제 미주.
juice So this is the entry. So we are going to enter now. So this is what it looked like. Okay. We have to check it out. So the view looks like this. This glass is made like this. I mean, this floor is made of glass, so we are walking on this, but it's hard glass. So mention that. 기어 내려와서 물르면
It's so
So now we are walking to the main main thing, that is Chirizi. So now we are walking towards that place. So I'll show you. So now we have to climb the stairs and reach up there. So now we are watching, and few people have already started walking. And now I'm about to reach to the top. So so this is the inside view of Gompa. This is the inside view of Gompa. So before going inside the Gompa, we are going to take rounds. So after taking rounds only, we will go inside. The weather is extremely hot, and like my fathers and all, they are hosting a prayer flag. We bought the prayer flag to here, so now they are hosting it. So I'll show you guys that.
Always early in the morning on rainy Saturday. 난 아직 너의 통만 기다리는데 끝까지 넌 모른 척 계속 하고 있는 게 아마 아직은 때가 아닌 듯해. 오늘도 넌 방에 들어박힌 채 천장만 보고 있네. 고요한 정적 속에 비는 왜 마음을 더 아프게 해. 내가 먼저 다가가고 싶은데.
So it has been quite a long time since the tourists haven't visited Sikkim. So I came here and I saw like few of the tourists. So I'm gonna ask them how they are feeling and why they came to Sikkim and what's the like, condition of their place as compared to Sikkim. So let's go. So like I want like, where are you from?
I'm from Siliguri.
So you came to visit Sikkim?
Yes,
So how did you find Sikkim?
it's beautiful. The view is great.
And what about the like disease condition over here?
Yeah, they're maintaining this norms and everything.
And what
Discipline.
about Siliguri?
Yeah, when they're trying to, but you know.
Yeah, like did you enjoy Sikkim?
Yes,
How much?
it was wonderful.
Wonderful.
Yes,
As compared to Siliguri.
Sikkim is a hometown.
Siliguri is.
And Sikkim is?
Sikkim is a neighboring state.
That's good. And what about you, ma'am?
It's wonderful.
It's wonderful. Yeah. Thank you.
Welcome.
So now we are going back from this place, and yeah, it was very peaceful and very good. Now we are moving from here. So yeah. 다들 또 냠도 같아 너.
야, 냠두.
짬 냠도 건. 아셔, 근데 너 냠도 가.
Cái mình ta
예참 이놈이야.
chế này gì ở đây chỉ bé ta lập rồi mà lập rồi thằng chỉ là đem lép ship 엄마네 때문에 홍기, 이모네 때문에 홍기.